Today we talk about air pressure setting. Air pressure, as we know, is very important, but sometimes in the system we can have fluctuation. And when this happens, of course, we have problem during spraying. So from the training center, we hear very often the suggestion that we should adjust the air pressure right at the wall. But the main reason behind it is because at the wall we have a membrane regulator, and the membrane is what usually compensates eventual fluctuation. So basically, if there is a sudden drop in pressure, the membrane acts like an extra lung, compensate that drop, and allows you to be more fluent and more constant in your application. But let me present you something that maybe is more functional and useful because it can let you check the air pressure right at the spray gun inlet, and at the same time it can adjust the pressure if you need to. So let's see with a real field example what happens when there is a sudden drop in pressure. So let's set the pressure at the wall at 6 bar, 90 psi. The pressure at the spray gun at 2 bar, 28 psi. And let's see what happens. So here is 6 bar and here is 2 bar. We are working. Now we have a sudden drop in pressure. We go down by 1 bar, 15 psi. We can see the reflection. We lost almost 0.5 bar, let's say approximately 8 psi. And this would cause, of course, a difference in the way we are spraying and an immediate problem during the application. What could be a solution? A solution is actually a compact membrane regulator right at the spray gun inlet. Here we can see what's the different reaction of the membrane regulator versus the regular one. So let's start with the pressure at the wall, 6 bar, and the pressure at the spray gun, 2 bar, 28 psi. What happens if we reduce by 1 bar at the wall? We adjust 0.05 of drop pressure at the spray gun. And this is obtained thanks to the membrane compensation effect on the line. So as you can see, we are approximately compensating 9 times more compared to the regular solution. Today we show with this practical example what can be the benefit of introducing a membrane regulator right at the spray gun inlet. We are able to check the pressure at every single time. We don't need to adjust it at the wall anymore. We have the membrane that is basically compensating any fluctuation, making our work more reliable, easier, and in a very compact and nice solution. This technology is very, very minimal. We can remove the digital regulator and being compact without any interference, or we can check it at any time, placing it back in.